It's the good old 4-4-2 formation today, a balanced lineup. Both team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. And the match kicks off. Vardy on the move. And he hits it. This is Courtois with a save. They've won control of the ball. He goes for goal. He saves the long-range shot. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He dribbles the ball forward. Cristiano Ronaldo. A long-range effort. Nice pass. Reinders goes to goal. Oh, it's a clear chance. Won by Frimpong. Wins the ball, and the shot has gone wide. Oh, that's out of character. Normally he thrives on those chances. The team are going for goal, but they just can't score. Headed forward. Is this a goal? Terrific stop by Courtois. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. That's a great ball in. Rahmani. Good interception. Well, let's take a look at that foul again. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Passing the ball really well. Harry Kane. This is Courtois with a save. Won by Frimpong. Long throw there. Marmouche advances. He's won the header. What will he try? Oh, there's no stopping that. Well, that's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet, but can he add to it? A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.